Right Honourable Speaker, this is blackmail of this Parliament. They have just spent under 3%, 1.4 trillion in supplementary expenditure. And the minister, where this is honest, where have they spent the money? 89 billion given to Sudil to build a marina. They've just given 127 billion to Atiak. They've just spent 800 of our money on defense expenditure. They've just spent part of that money, 135 billion on classified expenditure at the State House. So there is no scarcity of resources. There is wrong appropriation of the needs of the country. To say there is a crisis of liquidity in the country, they've just told us, you are heirs have to perform this target by 200 billion in this quarter. Therefore, that is not to be done. That's not the argument that they can fly and create an artificial crisis for wrongly first expending money on wrong things, then they leave the fundamental and come to Parliament and blackmail and stampede this Parliament. It is high time we stopped this blackmail by making a very solid resolution to reject it. Right Honourable Speaker, the other issue at hand are very critical, Right Honourable Speaker. This loan, as it is, worldwide, there is no loan in the world today where 10% of the loan goes to an insurance. We all borrow money. We all pay insurance on our small loans. The loan fee is normally for insurance around between 1 and 2%. It can't be 10% of the loan. And Right Honourable Speaker, from my perspective, where I stand, this is a poor deal, wrongly negotiated. The firewall to stop this lies with this Parliament. We must raise the courage, the strength of character to speak truth to power, including the executive, and tell them enough is enough.